Hello everyone, welcome back to Winners Capsule. In this session, I will be discussing most important questions on synonyms. Let us have a brief discussion. In the first question, which is the synonym of magnificent? We have option A, royal, option B, modest, option C, tawdry, and option D, feeble. The right answer is royal. So royal is a synonym of magnificent. Let's move on. Question number 2. So which is the synonym of slump? Option A, sit up, option B, stand up, option C, rise, and option D, sink. The similar word meaning of slump is sink. Sink is the synonym of slump. Moving on to next question. What is the synonym of moratorium? Option A, embargo, option B, renewal, option C, recommencement, option D, resumption. Embargo is the right answer for moratorium. It is a similar word meaning of moratorium. Rest of the meanings are opposite to that of moratorium. Let me move on. Question number 4. So what is the synonym of ripple? Option A, roll, option B, stream, option C, pour, and option D, wave. Option D is the right answer for ripple. That means similar word meaning of ripple is wave. Let's discuss question number 5. What is the similar word meaning of miscarriage? Option A, successful, option B, collapse, option C, carriage, and option D, triumph. The right answer is collapse. Collapse is the right answer. Option number A, option C, and option D are opposite of miscarriage. Let us discuss on question number 6. What is the synonym of conceive? Option A, miss, option B, miss, interrupt, option C, evolve, and option D, abort. The right answer is evolve. Conceive means the meaning which is similar to creative or build up likewise. So the similar word meaning of conceive is evolve. So C, option number C, evolve is the right answer for this question. Let's discuss question number 7. Outbreak. What is the similar word meaning of outbreak? Option A, calm, option B, peace, option C, order, and option D, eruption. So right answer is option number D, eruption. Calm, peace, order, all are just opposite to that of outbreak. So let us choose option number D, eruption. Now let us discuss question number 8. What is the similar word meaning of abscond? Option A, show, option B, run away, option C, emerge, and option D, appear. The right answer is run away. Let us discuss question number 9. Pursuit. What is the similar word meaning of pursuit? Option number A, fun, option B, idleness, option C, surrender, and finally chasing. Chasing is the right answer for this question. Remaining are not similar to pursuit. So only the similar word meaning is chasing. Let us discuss last question. Fatigue. What is the similar word meaning of fatigue? Option A, exhaust, option B, energy, option C, vigor, and option D, refresh. Fatigue is nothing but tiredness. That means exhaust. I can opt option number A. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and don't forget to subscribe. For technical videos and for technical discussions, you can visit one of my YouTube channel, Simplified Triple Studies. I need your continuous support for the upcoming days. Please do subscribe for this channel also. Thank you very much.